India can now create Atmanirbhar secure internet, says state-run ITI and industry platform IPv6 Forum. India has the potential to create its own secure internet by setting up a root server locally for less than 10 crores, says ITI and IPv6 Forum. The Department of Telecom had released the first and second roadmap to roll out IPv6 addresses in the country in 2010 and 2012, which can grant several trillions of unique internet addresses, unlike the old regime of IPv4, which has the limit of 3 billion IP addresses only. Bezos to step down. Andy Jassy is the new Amazon chief. Founder of global e-commerce major Amazon Incorporated and the world's richest man, Jeff Bezos, will transition to the role of execution chair by the third quarter of 2021 and step down as chief executive. Bezos had been CEO since the company's inception in 1994. He will be succeeded by Andy Jassy, who is currently the chief executive of Amazon Web Services, Amazon's on-demand cloud computing businesses. India proposes a law to prohibit all private cryptocurrencies and create digital currency of India. The government seeks to ban all private cryptocurrencies in India and create a national digital currency. It also seeks to create a development finance institution. The Cryptocurrency and Regulation of Official Digital Currency Bill 2021 seeks to create a facilitative framework for an official digital currency that will be issued by Reserve Bank of India. It also seeks to ban all private cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ether, and Ripple, but will exempt certain uses and promotion of the underlying technology of such tenders. Department of Space has been allocated 13,949 crores in the union budget. 700 crores for the newly formed PSU under Department of Space. The Department of Space has been allocated 13,949 crores in the union budget, of which 8,228 crores is earmarked for the capital expenditure. New Space India Limited is newly formed PSU under Department of Space and has been allocated 700 crores. 15,700 crores provided for MSME sector in union budget. Union Finance Minister has made a provision of 15,700 crores, which is double than the last year, for the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises sector in the Union Budget 2021-22. In a first, Tata to build military aircraft in India as it acquires IP rights. Tata Group have acquired the intellectual property rights for a German origin platform. The aircraft developed by the company is designed for flying at maximum altitude of 45,000 feet and can be used for intelligence gathering, surveillance and reconnaissance purposes.